guys, I'm in Lima, Ohio. I drove over here in my trusty mobile and I met up with somebody. I met up with Eric. Hi, Eric.
Hi.
Did you have a good lunch?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Trucker Jukebox.
You're welcome. We ate, I did, 2 plates and dessert. You had about the same,
Yeah.
2 plates and dessert.
Yeah.
But we're going over to get a recliner. I'm gonna buy myself a recliner. Wish me luck getting it inside the apartment. But I'm gonna follow this.
I think you could.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna follow this young man over there. I'll show you guys the recliner when I get there. We'll be right back, everybody.
See ya.
But anyway, we're in Lima, Ohio. I'm following Eric to this furniture place because I'm gonna buy myself a recliner, put it in the back, take it back to my apartment. But right now I'm masquerading as a four-wheeler. People were going to walk against the light. Ugh. Alright, be right back. Hey guys, this man traveled from Lima to here to give me a hand. Show you guys.
Together.
He followed me from Lima to here. We got a recliner now. We got a stand and we got my bed. And I know I got this whole front room, so why do I have it here? Because Jay can't jump up on the bed. So he can get on the chair, he can get on the stand, and he can walk over to the bed. Until we get more furniture, this is perfect for me. You realize I cut my front room in half by doing this, but
Well, I mean, when you get a couch and TV stand.
I get a couch, yeah, because we got the TV actually on the kitchen counter. And, but I like
to this stuff. You want to get situated, so.
And you're here to verify this ain't no lie. I paid $15 for the chair and $5 for the stand. Ain't that right? So I only paid $21 and change. That was because of tax. For the chair and for the stand.
There's plenty much more.
Oh yeah.
Where we got.
We're going back over there. I'm just waiting for a bigger paycheck.
Yeah, I know.
And then I guess I'm going to have to either get the semi, my big truck, and go over there and.
Or maybe U-Haul.
Or a U-Haul. But it's got to be able to fit into the. You saw how difficult it can be. There's no way I can get a bobtail in here. You noticed that, right?
No.
I'd hit overhang there was. So a U-Haul truck is fairly tall too with the box. So that would even be, we would probably have to go on the street and offload it. But we used my pickup truck to haul the stuff, and Ed followed. So thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
All right, we're gonna get out of here. We're taking a small break. Then we got to go out and get Jake and Panda. They're still in the pickup truck.
Can't leave them out.
I didn't want to bring them in here while I was doing the moving because I didn't want them to get stepped on. So, but anyway, we'll be back, folks. Don't go nowhere. Oh yeah, thank you.
The operation of the whole thing after the 4th play of the season.
All right, I'm having breakfast at Kerman's here in Bowling Green, just down the road from my home 20. We come down here to eat breakfast. I got my coffee and my water. And I'm just waiting for the food now. So with that being said, we'll be right back. Y'all have a good one. Yeah. They're busy, man. Standing room only. But anyway, we'll be right back. Well, there's my breakfast, guys. Ham, eggs, and home potatoes and toast. We're gonna eat this. We'll be right back. And I'm back at the house. Panda's over there on the bed. Jake is down there beside